This 5-minute solution will show you how to check how much time you spend on iPhone in a day or in a week. So follow these quick steps to see how much time you spend on your iPhone. Go to settings, tap on screen time. Make sure to enable screen time. Once you enabled, you will get this interface here. Now tap on see all activity and select day. And here you will get the summary about how much time you spent on your iPhone. And to see your weekly, select weekly, and here you will get the summary. Another option is go back from here and tap on battery, and also here you will get how much time you spent on your phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.